Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Kids Crochet Kit is probably one of the most rewarding and fun ways to introduce your children to the wonderful world of crafting. It not only fosters their creativity and improves their fine motor skills, offering a sense of accomplishment as they create their own unique projects, but also provides hours of entertainment and a chance to bond with family and friends while learning a valuable skill that can last a lifetime. Number 5. 4M Crochet Art Kit. This kit has everything you need to start crocheting. It's perfect for beginners and is easy to learn. You'll receive 2 crochet hooks, a plastic needle, and 7 colors of yarn. There's plenty to get started with. It includes enough materials to make 3 items, such as a coaster, handbag, placemat, or belt. The possibilities are endless. A 14-page instruction book guides you through each step, making it simple to learn. Recommended for ages 8 and up, it's a great way to spark your imagination and learn a new skill. 4M offers a wide variety of educational toys and kits, including science, arts and crafts, and robotics. There's something for everyone. What we like. If you are looking for a simple and fun introduction to crocheting for your child, this kit is perfect. It's easy to use and comes with clear instructions, making it ideal for young crafters. The included projects are also engaging and will keep them entertained for hours. This kit is a great way to spark your child's creativity and teach them a new skill. What people say. The inclusion of left-handed instructions was such a thoughtful insight as our learner flips between hands for different tasks. The included supplies are adequate for beginners and allow for investment in better quality if the interest persists. At least 3 small projects can be made with the items in the set and the yarn is colorful and good quality. Number 4. Hearth and Harbor Crochet Kit. It's time to explore your creativity with this complete crochet kit. Everything you need to start your crafting journey is included. This kit has 15 yarn skeins in vibrant colors, a wide variety of crochet hooks to suit your needs, and helpful accessories for a smooth crafting experience. Experience the joy of crocheting with our super soft yarn and ergonomic crochet hooks. They're designed for comfort and ease of use, perfect for beginners. With this kit, you can create unique amigurumi and various crochet projects. Let your imagination run wild and bring your creative visions to life. Keep everything neatly organized with the included storage organizer and convenient tote bag. Take your projects anywhere with ease. This kit makes a thoughtful present for beginners or experienced crocheters. It's a wonderful way to share the joy of crafting. What we like. If you need everything in one place to start crocheting, this all-inclusive kit is your best bet. It has a wide variety of tools and materials, all neatly organized for easy access. The included tote bag makes it easy to take your project on the go. This kit is perfect for those who want to dive into crocheting without having to source materials separately. What people say. Has everything you need to get started. I've been crocheting a few different things and I'm having trouble keeping counts. Today I discovered there's row counters included in the kit and I'm laughing at myself for not realizing it sooner. You also get a pair of scissors which I didn't realize until today. Or maybe I saw them 2 years ago and forgot. I appreciate all the different sizes of hooks. I've been able to practice on a lot of different things with all the included tools. This kit has everything that you will need to get started. The yarn is not the best quality but it works great for learning. The scissors are super sharp, the hooks are good quality and there are a few extras that I don't even know what they are, yet. This is my first time crocheting, and I have everything I need. The yarn is definitely not the best but it works for just doing small things for learning purposes. Number 3. Aeelike Crochet Kit. It includes 59 pieces of crochet hooks and accessories, perfect for beginners and experienced crocheters alike. Everything you need to get started is right here in one convenient kit. Even if you've never crocheted before, this kit makes it easy. The various hook sizes and included yarn let you tackle a variety of projects right away. These lightweight yet durable hooks glide smoothly on the yarn, preventing snags and breakage. The ergonomic handles provide extra comfort, even during long crafting sessions. The included zip-up case keeps everything neatly organized and prevents loss. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel or storage. This all-in-one kit is an excellent gift for anyone interested in learning to crochet or expanding their crafting supplies. It's a thoughtful present for beginners and experienced crafters. What we like. If you appreciate high-quality, durable tools and a wide range of options, this kit is for you. The ergonomic hooks are comfortable to use even for extended periods, and the variety of hook sizes allows for many different projects. The included case keeps everything organized and portable. This kit is a great investment for anyone serious about crocheting. What people say. The Aeelike Crochet Kit for beginners and adults is the perfect all-in-one set for anyone looking to dive into the world of crochet. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced crocheter, this 59-piece kit provides everything you need to start creating beautiful projects right away. The set includes a wide range of high-quality yarns, ergonomic crochet hooks, 2.0 to 6.0 millimeters, and lace steel needles, 0.6 to 1.9 millimeters, ensuring you have the right tools for any project. One of the standout features of this kit is its ergonomic crochet hooks, which are designed to reduce hand strain and provide a comfortable grip during long crafting sessions. This is especially helpful for beginners, as it makes learning and practicing easier and more enjoyable. The variety of yarn included in the kit offers multiple colors and textures, allowing you to experiment and explore different techniques. The Aeelike Crochet Kit also includes instructional guides, making it a great option for both kids and adults learning to crochet. Whether you're making scarves, blankets, or decorative pieces, the kit offers everything you need to get started, all neatly packed in a convenient carrying case for easy organization and portability. Number 2. Woobles Pierre Crochet Kit. Learn to crochet with our beginner-friendly kit. It includes everything you need to create your own Pierre the Penguin, plus easy-to-follow video tutorials. This kit has all the supplies you'll need: yarn, hook, needle, stuffing, and even a pre-started piece. No need to search for extra materials. Our step-by-step video tutorials guide you through each step of the process, whether you're right or left-handed. Detailed explanations make learning simple. We use our own special easy-peasy yarn, designed for beginners. It's easy to work with and helps you see your stitches clearly. Thousands have learned to crochet with our kits. You can too. Plus, get unlimited email and text support, and join our virtual office hours. Pick up Pierre the Penguin, or choose from other adorable Woobles characters. Start your new hobby today. What we like. If you're a visual learner or prefer step-by-step guidance, this kit's video tutorials are a game-changer. The specially designed yarn makes it easy to see your stitches, and the pre-started project gives you a confidence boost. This kit is perfect for those who want to learn at their own pace with extra support. It makes learning to crochet less daunting. What people say. Step-by-step instructions. The kit includes detailed video instructions that made learning the basics easy and enjoyable. The yarn included is of high quality, making the crochet experience even better. The videos are clear and slow and repetitive enough to let you see what you need and follow. It is such a confidence booster to make something fun, instead of learning by making a dishcloth or hot pad or scarf. Number 1. Crochetta Crochet Bee Kit. This kit has all the materials you'll need to get started, including yarn, needles, and a helpful instruction manual. Let's get crafting. Don't worry about making mistakes. We've included 40% extra yarn in each color, so you can practice and perfect your stitches. Our step-by-step video tutorials make learning to crochet easy and fun, even for absolute beginners. Follow along and create your first project with confidence. This kit lets you crochet a charming bee family, a large mama bee and 2 smaller baby bees. They're perfect for home decor and add a touch of whimsy to any space. It comes in a beautiful gift box, making it an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a thoughtful gift for crafters of all ages. Need help? We're here for you. Contact us anytime via email or text for assistance. We'll guide you every step of the way. Crocheting is a relaxing and rewarding hobby that improves focus and sparks creativity. It's a fun way to unwind and learn a new skill. What we like. If you want to learn crochet without worrying about running out of yarn, this kit provides extra yarn for mistakes and experimentation. The video tutorials make learning easy, and the larger-than-average project is very rewarding to complete. This kit is perfect for beginners who want to create a beautiful, sizable finished product. What people say. She was able to follow the instructions without any issues. Everything you need. Gives link to video to assist with completion. The instructions are very clear, and there was enough material to make 2 with some modifications using green for the hair on the second one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.